Welcome! Today, we're presenting our top 5 best robot vacuum cleaners. Designed to save you time and keep your floors spotless, these vacuums feature smart navigation and powerful suction to tackle pet hair and dirt in corners. Let's explore each model. Number 5. ILIFE V3X Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Starting off at number 5 is the ILIFE V3X Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, a versatile device that combines vacuuming and mopping. With a maximum suction power of 3000 Pa, it effectively collects dirt, dust, and pet hair, particularly boosting suction on carpets for deep cleaning. Its 300 ml dustbin and 250 ml water tank enable uninterrupted cleaning. Featuring gyro navigation and smart path mode, it efficiently cleans rooms, while automatic, spot, and edge cleaning modes cater to various needs. Compatible with Alexa and Google Home, you can control it with voice commands and plan cleanings remotely via the ILIFE app. It offers up to 120 minutes of continuous cleaning and automatically returns to the charging station when low. With a 2-layer brush and a 3-layer filtration system, it effectively captures dust and allergens. Users praise its performance on pet hair and hard floors, though some have concerns about sensitivity and battery life. Eufy RoboVac 11 Seconds Max. At number 4, we have the Eufy RoboVac 11 Seconds Max, a robot vacuum notable for its slim design and powerful performance. Its ultra-thin profile of 2.85 inches allows easy access under furniture and to hard-to-reach areas. Operating quietly, it's suitable for any time of day, and its 2000 Pa suction power effectively cleans all surfaces, from hard floors to medium pile carpets. The Boostic technology automatically increases suction when extra cleaning is needed. The Eufy 11 Seconds Max provides up to 100 minutes of continuous cleaning and returns to its charging station when low. Equipped with smart sensors, it avoids obstacles and doesn't fall downstairs. Controlled via a remote, it simplifies cleaning planning and navigation. With a stylish tempered glass cover, it boasts a modern look. While some users note it may get stuck in tight spaces and have mixed feedback on noise and suction, it remains an excellent choice for those seeking an affordable, performance-oriented robotic vacuum. Number 3. Roborock Q5 Max Plus Robot Vacuum. Taking the third spot is the Roborock Q5 Max Plus Robot Vacuum, which offers impressive cleaning performance with its powerful 5500 Pa suction. Utilizing Hyperforce suction technology, it effectively tackles tough messes such as dust, dirt, pet hair, and human hair on any surface. Its dual brush system prevents pet hair from tangling in the brushes, providing a more seamless cleaning experience. With a self-emptying dustbin, you can clean for up to 7 weeks without getting your hands dirty. Roborock's presses and slide-on navigation creates detailed 3D maps of your home, ensuring thorough cleaning of every corner. Fast mapping and multi-level mapping features offer great convenience for large homes and multi-story houses. With a single charge, the Q5 Max Plus can work for up to 240 minutes, cleaning an area of approximately 3,767 square feet in one go. Integrated with Alexa, Siri, and Google Home, this model can be controlled with voice commands, and cleaning schedules can be set via the app. Users praise Roborock for its powerful suction and accurate mapping capabilities, though some express complaints about the noise level. Number 2. iRobot Roomba Vac. In the second position, we have the iRobot Roomba Vac Q011, a cutting-edge robotic vacuum that makes cleaning effortless. Featuring a 3-stage cleaning system, it excels on both carpets and hard floors, with a suction system operating at 3 power levels for deep cleaning. Its V-shaped and edge-sweeping brushes perform exceptionally well in corners. The smart navigation system ensures thorough coverage while preventing falls downstairs and avoiding obstacles. One of its standout features is the easy setup. It's ready to use straight out of the box. The iRobot Home app allows for simple control, enabling you to schedule cleanings, start or stop them remotely, and view cleaning maps. The Clean While I'm Away feature keeps your home tidy even when you're not there. With a low-profile design, it fits under furniture easily, and with a 1 to 2 minute runtime, it effectively cleans large areas. When the battery is low, it automatically returns to the charging station and resumes cleaning once charged. Users appreciate Roomba's practicality and performance, although some have concerns about its navigation and price-performance ratio. Number 1. Shark AV2501 South AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Taking the top spot is the Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which enhances home cleaning with its advanced technology. Its powerful suction easily removes dust, dirt, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. The Matrix Clean navigation system ensures thorough cleaning by covering each room multiple times. Equipped with 360-degree LiDAR vision technology, it efficiently maps your home, avoids obstacles, and optimizes its cleaning path. Its standout feature is the self-emptying base, which can hold dirt for up to 30 days. The HEPA filter captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, promoting a healthier environment. Designed for pet owners, it features a self-cleaning brush roll that prevents tangling. It can be controlled via voice commands with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. With a battery life of up to 120 minutes, it returns to the charging station when low and resumes cleaning. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Your support helps us bring you the best product reviews and tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.